Good morning, students. So far we discussed in video lecture Maxwell's equation, differential form, integral form, and derivations of all four equations in the differential form and its physical significance. Now the electromagnetic waves in free space in terms of E or in terms of H, you can derive it. As you know, Maxwell predicted that light waves are electromagnetic waves. It associated with both electric and magnetic field, and E and H are mutually perpendicular and also perpendicular to the direction of the propagation. And this is a beautiful concept predicted by Maxwell. Because of light waves or electromagnetic waves, so we are enjoying the telecommunication benefit, means EM waves. Suppose EM waves passing through in free space, then what happens to the Maxwell's Bohr equation? The condition is delta D is 0, means the rho is volume charge density is 0, and second del dot B is 0, and del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T, and the fourth equation, that is del cross H, is equal to dou D by dou T. So in free space, as you know, the conductivity, the electrical conductivity is 0, so sigma is 0. So naturally current density sigma E is equal to 0 and charge density is also 0. This is the conditions for EM waves in free space. In order to derive the EM waves in free space in terms of E, you should take the Maxwell's third equation. The Maxwell third equation, del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T, you call equation 1. Now you have to apply the curl on both sides, means taking curl of equation 1, del cross E is equal to minus dou by dou T del cross B, you call equation 2. Now you know the vector identity. What vector identity? Del cross E is equal to del dot E minus del square E. So you should remember this formula. So that is derived in mathematics class. You remember del cross E is equal to gradient of divergence of the electric field minus del square E. So you should apply in the above equation. Naturally equation 2 becomes del cross E, which gives del in bracket del dot E minus del square E is equal to dou by dou T del cross B. Yes, you know del cross D is equal to 0, B is equal to mu naught H. So displacement density is 0, so naturally del cross E is 0. Therefore G is equal, 0 minus del square E is equal to minus mu naught dou by dou T del cross H, means here B is equal to mu naught H. From equation 4, in free space, you know, del cross H is equal to dou D by dou T. So you substitute in above equation del square E is equal to mu naught dou by dou T dou D by dou T. So D is equal to, of course, displacement density is proportional to the electric field, dou is equal to E naught E. So you substitute del square E is equal to mu naught epsilon naught dou square E by dou t square. This is the equation 3. This is the wave equation in terms of E. Now you know the general wave equation. What is the general wave equation? General wave equation is del square psi is equal to 1 upon v square dou square psi by dou t square. This is the general wave equation. The psi is the wave function. So compare the equation 3 and 4. So naturally 1 by v square is equal to mu naught epsilon naught. So v square is equal to what? 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught, and v is equal to under square root 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught. So this is the velocity in free space. And substitute the value of mu naught, the permeability, and epsilon naught is permittivity in free space. After substituting the values, you will get the velocity in free space is equal to almost 3 into 10 to the 8 meter per second, and accidentally, which is equal to the velocity of light. The velocity of light in free space is equal to 3 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. The EM waves propagated in the free space is equal to 3 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. Then you will come to know the light waves are in the electromagnetic wave. This is the proof. This is the proof given by the Maxwell. And of course, with help of these calculations, he predicted light waves are electromagnetic waves because of the velocity of light. The velocity of wave in free space is equal to 3 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. That is the velocity of light. So naturally, you may say EM waves means are electromagnetic in nature. Thank you.